Hello guys, inquiring minds would like to know what should you put in your LinkedIn features section to attract clients and make sales. So let's scroll down so you can take a look at that. We're going to show you exactly how you can use this area to attract clients and make sales. And we're going to also show you how to set this up. But first, let's see how it functions. Let me close myself up a little bit so I can get out of your way so we can really illustrate. Let me show you how it functions when you hook up your feature section. As you see here, we actually have two offers. So when people look at your profile, they're pretty much going to be impressed because it's top of the line, and in most LinkedIn profiles, you don't see this. Click on that. It's going to take you to one of our offers, which means you can set up your LinkedIn profile the same way. So you have three options of actually benefiting from your LinkedIn profile, which is extremely valuable. And also, I'm going to make more videos about how to complete the cipher of your LinkedIn profile so that it can convert and so that you can find clients with it. Most likely want to subscribe to the channel, like, share the content, support small business, support those who are supporting you with valuable content. So we're going to show you the other offer we have here. And also we're going to make these offers available to you. If you don't have immediate offers, in order to take advantage of this marketing technology we are sharing with you today, we're going to make these two offers available to you. But first, let us share with you what they are, and then we're going to show you how to hook up this feature section in order so you can accomplish the same thing as well as start getting paying clients and maybe start making a little bit of income in between while you're marketing your regular business. So our first offer, click here for our strategy that got us 55 clients. So what we're teaching you here is what you will find in our acquisition course, our lead acquisition system course. So this is not just a course, but it's also a community. It's also a course. And also we're online on a daily basis, Coach Solomon. So we're actually working with you. You're in the cipher, you're with us, not only in the community, private community, but also on LinkedIn. We reach out to you and we share insights that we come across when it comes to marketing our business. So you're not going to be by yourself. You're actually going to be with a team of people, and it's the client acquisition system. Now, this is also an affiliate program that we have in association with that system that you can pretty much use to make money. So you pretty much can come here. You're going to subscribe, come inside. We're going to give you an affiliate link. And when you get that affiliate link, you're going to use it for this offer on your profile. And in fact, the very link that we share with you in order to get into the affiliate program, you can also use that link to invite others into the community. Now, I'm going to make another video about this because we can't talk about everything about at once. But when you're building relationships, and this is what we teach inside of the LinkedIn acquisition system, when you're building relationships with business owners and potential clients, you have to share. You're likely going to come across a lot of free gems that are benefiting your business, external communities, and a lot of other things. But we share items like this with our potential clients because we want to butter them up. We want to build strong relationships. We want to help them appreciate that Coach Solomon is a very resourceful guy that we most definitely want to stick around with and benefit from, his insights. So we're going to leave these two options available to you. Matter of fact, the link is below this video. And the link is below. You're going to be able to gain access to these assets. In the future, we're going to put these assets here after you become an affiliate in the back office area. But right now, they should be below this video. You can gain access to these assets right now. You can download them to your computer because we're going to show you right now how to use them in order to set up your feature section so you can use it to actually attract clients and make sales. And also, when you download the assets, it's going to have instructions for you as well as your link to gain access to your affiliate link so you can get started today. And this is all free, okay? You're going to have the opportunity to make $50 commissions to each person who takes advantage of your affiliate link and make a purchase of the acquisition system, okay? Also, what you're going to find here is an opportunity. We can make a professional LinkedIn banner for you. These pictures are clickable, okay? So you're going to click on this picture. It's going to take you to some questions, gain access to your professional LinkedIn banner if you want us to make one for you. All the instructions are there. And also, when it comes to what we're doing right now, This is awesome. It's awesome stuff. It's a lot of awesome technology. And it's also awesome to have a banner, but marketing intelligence has to go into this. You can set it up visually to look just as nice as anything else. But at the end of the day, it's going to be hollow if you don't have marketing intelligence. So if you would like us to run a marketing intelligence check on your website and get back to you to help you to appreciate what the industry leaders are doing in your field so you can manifest that in your marketing. We're going to help you out with that too. This is also applicable as well. Now, mind you, these images of the featured section, they have to be this size right here, 1732 by 908, the width 1732, as well as the height 908, aspect ratio 191 by 1. Okay, so that's the information that you need so that when the day does come when you create your own featured section link, so you can actually have them clickable to get people back to your landing page or whatever. So we're going to show you how to put this together right now. So we're going to delete this. Computer's a little bit slow. I'm going to delete this. So we can start over from round 0. So the first thing you're going to do, let me see if it's gone. I believe the feature section is gone now that we deleted those. Let's see what's going on. Once again, like, guys, subscribe to the channel. Please support us. You most definitely want to hang around what we're doing 2026. We are actually leading the pack for what we're doing. So you're going to come to Add Section. You're going to hit Recommended. You're going to hit Add Feature. Okay. So you're going to hit the plus. You're going to click Add Link. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to, after you capture your affiliate link, as I said, the link is below in order to gain access to all your assets. Okay. With the instructions on how to use the assets, the links are below. Until you start getting rolling with your own opportunities, so you can start making a little bit of money right now, as well as join a strong community. So once you gain your affiliate link, you're going to take that affiliate link and you're going to take it to LinkedIn and you're going to put it here. Okay, you're going to click Add, and you're going to put a little message, call to action, for gain access. And I'm going to put the image there. I'm going to put the asset there. Where's my asset? There you go. 55 clients. Save. You should only really put 2 there. If you put a third one, it's not going to work out. Visually, it's not going to work out. Okay, so we have number 1, and we're going to create number 2. We're going to click Add Link. Then we're going to come over to the affiliate program. We're going to copy that. And that's, you don't need a special link for that. I mean, as I said before, when I'm marketing these links, I don't really sell them. I'm already online. I'm already communicating and finding clients for my marketing consultation business. I just pretty much tell them, I got an awesome, a friend of mine threw me a link to a LinkedIn client acquisition course. It's really been helping my business a lot. I can throw you the link if you want. You're not really selling. You're just referring. You're suggesting. This is powerful. Click Add. Wait, did I click link? Let me go back. Click the link. Add. Put something like gain access. You can really put whatever you want, but it should be a strong call to action because it'll help you. I might change this later. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. Gain access. And then we're going to grab our second asset. It is really this simple. Look, here we go. You get a full commission of $50 every time you share a link with somebody and they acquire the client acquisition system. It's not a course, it's a system with a community as well as daily help with me because we're online every day. A bunch of wildebeest. Okay, that looks correct. Gain access. Save. Once again, you should only put two, okay? Because you put the third one, it's not going to come out the way you see it here. Scroll down. Let's see. Got it. And also, if you want to switch it up, I like to switch it up. Let's see what it looks like when I switch it up. Well, see how it's not cooperating for the sake of this video? See how they do me? It should be a lot simpler. It's up top. I don't get what the big deal is. But you can figure that out later, okay? But for the sake of the video, you get the point. You can pretty much order them how you want. Was I just doing it over and over again? There we go. That's what I wanted. So it did work. So there you have it, guys. This is what you should do to put your LinkedIn features section in a place that it needs to be, so you can start to make clients and make sales. You have the link below. You can grab these assets right now if you like, with instructions. You can actually gain access to a banner. We're going to make one for you if that's what you want. Clickable link. But once again, visually, it's going to be looking attractive, and people are going to understand, okay, it's very likely these guys know what they're doing. This is trust to a certain extent. And also, it's going to look beautiful, but once again, you do need the marketing science. So if you set up an appointment here, we're going to critique your website. We're going to compare your website to thousands, maybe not thousands, but a ton of other industry leaders' websites, so you can find out what's actually making their money, so you can pretty much translate that information and carry it over to your landing page. So now your profile, LinkedIn profile, is one step closer to being a LinkedIn landing page, guys. If you appreciate the value we shared in this video, by all means, like, share, subscribe, guys. We're going to go into the next phase on your banner, as well as how to hook up other things on your LinkedIn profile so you can look like a winner, gain trust, as well as find more paying clients.